Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through how to turn on or off data roaming. So first, if you don't know the meaning of data roaming, so why do you need to turn it on, why do you need to turn it off? Actually, the simple meaning of data roaming is you being able to have access to data when you are not connected to your network carrier. For example, now you want to travel international and you don't have the network, you don't have the network provider of your carrier wherever you are. You can just simply turn on the data roaming option on your phone, and this gives you access to internet, and that's just the simple meaning. So if you want to turn this off or off, you turning it off or on actually depends on you. But I'm going to walk you through how you can turn it on or off on your phone. So the first thing you have to do is go to your settings, then under mobile data option, tap on your mobile data, and then under the mobile data option, under it there's a mobile data option called data roaming. So just go there, then under it you see roaming. So this is it here, turning it on or off. If you leave it on, you don't have any problem, because there's I can't figure out one key disadvantages of you leaving it on or turning it off. But if you want to have access to this, maybe if you are international, you can just turn this off, and this actually helps. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.